Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you could add an editor to your YouTube channel. To do that, ask your friend or the person who you want to add as an editor to log into YouTube or to sign in into YouTube and to click on his picture on the right side or his YouTube channel on the side and to give you this ID. It appears at and after it to provide you with this ID. The next step, what you want to do, you want to go to your YouTube channel. So open YouTube, sign in, click on your YouTube channel's picture, click on YouTube Studio, scroll on the left side and go to Settings, Community, and here in Standard Moderators, you can paste his ID and he should appear. And as you can see, I have added my other channel as a moderator, my other friend as a moderator for this channel. Once done, just click save and he will receive an invite and he should be able to access your channel and operate as a standard moderator. If you don't know what is a standard moderator, is that user who can remove comments which will appear in your held for review page and can also moderate your live chat messages. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.